Tim here with another Transformation Tuesday. One of the most important parts of homeownership is knowing where to invest your money so you get the best possible return. So let me ask you a question. What do you think delivers the best ROI when renovating a home? Is it the kitchen? Nope. That's a great return, but not the best. Is it the bathrooms? Nope. A solid return, but still not number one. The number one ROI renovation is actually your garage door. And behind me is a property in Escondido that will be hitting the market soon. These current garage doors are fine. They work perfectly fine. They're painted, they're functional, but upgrading them is where the value story changes. If you were to replace these with a modern flush panel garage door crafted from glass and aluminum, it would instantly elevate the entire exterior. The clean lines and architectural modern design create a sleek, high-end finish and first impression. Now, here's the part that most people don't expect. The exterior upgrade costs about $14,000, but it adds roughly $39,000 in perceived market value. That's a 178% return on your investment. It's one of the first things buyers see, and first impressions matter. So if you're thinking about selling or you just want to upgrade, this is one of the smartest and cleanest ROI plays in real estate. And if you want to know what the best upgrades are for your house, you can reach out to my guys at Coastal Garage Doors. And if you mention the SD Home Team, they'll give you 10% off. I hope this was informative, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a beautiful day.